Hello, this is Ron from Ron's RC and Tech channel. I have a special announcement tonight, sort of a channel update, but the big news is I will be making an appearance tomorrow night on the live Coast to Coast drone show, and we will be talking about the new Hubsan Zino. If you haven't heard about the Zino yet, it's their first attempt at making a foldable, compact travel drone that will also take 4K video and have a 3-axis gimbal in it too. So, kind of making a attempt to do a maybe a budget Mavic. So we're going to get into it tomorrow night. We're going to have a lot of good information and a lot of good, a great panel to discuss it. It should be here in around the middle of November. So again, I'll put all the details to the when the show is going to be on, what the link is, and I'll link to the Zino too. So again, that will be, let me check my watch, so that will be October 17th, 8:30 p.m. East Coast time, 9:30 Midwest time, and you figure out all the other coasts, all the other time zones. So, okay, that's the big news, but channel update will be, I'm going to be trying to get some drone reviews coming out for the upcoming holiday season. And I have a couple drones sitting right here. Neither one of them are new, but they're both good budget GPS drones that will be very affordable going into the holiday season. If you have a new drone person on your list wants a drone, but you don't want to break the bank on like a DJI, these two will be under $100 and maybe well under $100 with some of the big sales come up. This is the Promark Shadow drone. Again, it's a GPS brush motor drone with a tilting 720p camera on it, and this is the Hubsan. There you go, Hubsan again. The X41 Desire, the A216, which is also, even a little guy like this, is a GPS drone with a 1080p camera on it. I'll be doing full reviews on these things, unboxings, flight tests, camera tests, range tests, line of sight range tests now, FPV line of sight range tests. Both of these can do FPV, VR, split them in your goggles, so they'd be good for FPV pilots also. And I'm going to do some other reviews too. You've been seeing a lot of shots from me putting my Insta360 on like a RC car, and I've done the bolt time with it. So I want to actually, do an unboxing on it and go over the nuts and bolts of how the Insta360 actually works, and the software and how to use it. It's to me, it's one of the best tech gadgets of 2018. I think it came out in 2017, but and they have an updated model coming out just now, the Insta360 1X. So lots of times when a new product comes out, it's a good opportunity for somebody that's on a budget to save some money and get the model that's now the older model at a discount. So that's I'll be reviewing that in the channel soon, and I'll shortly be getting the new iPhone Series 4 watch in, and I'll do a full review on that. It's a hot product, it's hard to get your hands on, so looking forward to getting that in and doing a full unboxing and a demonstration of how that works. So okay, that's going to be it for tonight. So thanks for joining me, and make sure that if you get a chance, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Coast to Coast Drones live show tomorrow night, October 17th. So be there or be square. All right, see everybody tomorrow night. Thanks for stopping by.